Hi everyone, and welcome back to Praxide Gallery. I hope you all are doing good. I'm sure through thumbnail you know that what I'm going to practice. Yes, I'm going to practice hands drawing today. So before we start, if you're new to my channel, I'm Prax and I do pencil drawing, color pencil drawing and charcoal pencil drawing. If you like my content, consider subscribing. So now let's get started. So for this I'm using here HB pencil. You can use any pencil, just ensure that it is sharp enough. And in this video you will see that I am following one pattern to draw any types of hand gesture. First of all, I'm drawing the palm area, and then I'll be adding fingers to it, right? So I will tell you as a real demonstration on how you can draw any hand in any gesture using this technique. In my opinion, hands drawing is very important. Generally, as an aspiring artist, we mainly focus on the facial features and the facial expressions. But overall, if I look at the overall drawing or overall, artistic side of it, I believe hands play a very important role. Even if we talk about portrait, also, whenever someone, let's say, poses for portrait, they use their hands to, give gestures. So that's where I feel hands drawing is very important, and one should know how to draw hand with a different gesture in different ways, so that you can convey the message through your art. I hope you're watching the video, and we are going to see the live demonstration on my hand how you can draw the hands. So I'll be showing you one gesture, and then I will draw the same just by looking at my hand. So you can also do the live practice. You can form any gesture through your hand, and then you can draw. Uh, in case if you want to know more about how to do more practice on the drawing side, do let me in the comment box. I will see and I'll make the video. So here is the live demonstration. Here, this is my hand, and you can see the palm area is a little bit square, and your fingers are basically divided into two sections, like first half and the second half. Thumb area is going to be a little bit round, and then again there will be like a first same length and the other same length. So now I am planning to draw this. So I will be first drawing the palm area, and then I will draw lines for the fingers and then thumbs, and then give it a shape. Let's see. So here I am looking at my hand on the left hand side, and then I'm trying to understand how my fingers are folded, and accordingly I am just giving few lines which will actually turn into fingers. Now I will give it a finger shape. So this is a sketch. This will give you the outline, and then with the shading you can give it a realistic look. Did you see how easily you can draw any hand gesture? So you can give it a try, and you can post it and tag me on the Instagram. Instagram handle is prax.art.gallery. So yeah, that's all for today, and I will see you in the next video. Meanwhile, if you want to watch some other practice video, do check out this playlist. Till then, take care. Bye bye.